Hello friends, welcome back to Technique, and today we'll be talking about the Android 14 update for the OnePlus 10 Pro. So OnePlus 10 Pro was flagship device of 2022 and it came with a really good hardware, and it was the top of the line hardware back then. Now it had got the Android 13 update towards the end of last year. Now OnePlus has rolled out the Android 14 update for the OnePlus 10 Pro. Now OnePlus 10 Pro also comes with this latest OxygenOS 14 after the update. So let's see what all features it offers. So we have covered the update for the OnePlus OxygenOS 14 in couple of videos. So it's quite similar. So let's see how this looks like. So this is the OnePlus OxygenOS 14. You can see here device name OnePlus 10 Pro 5G, and this has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile platform with 12GB RAM, and this is the official version of the OnePlus OxygenOS 14. Now you can also see here Android 14 is the latest version and security patch from November 2023. So you can see here the changelog. It's quite similar to the changelog of the other OnePlus devices, very similar. Fluid cloud is added, file dock, content extraction, smart cutout, then shelf has been improved security and for photo and privacy related. Then performance optimization, we are seeing this aquamorphic design, and also it improves the animation speed, and then the carbon tracking AOD visualization included here. So these are the new versions and features. So if you look at the notification toggle, so you can see here this is quite clean and a very minimal UI, and it's very similar to other devices in terms of experience. Now if you look at the app drawer, again nothing much changed. It's quite similar to the other OnePlus devices as well. Now if you go to the multitasking option, here also you can see that very similar UI experience. It's very smooth actually, no lag or any hiccups with this new UI. Now if you go to the settings, you can see that again arranged pretty neatly. The icons and the themes actually look pretty good. In fact, it's very clean UI. I personally like the UI, and you can see that very much neatly arranged. Then wallpaper and style, you can see that always on display. You do get this carbon footprint always on display. Walking 10,000 steps instead of using other modes of transportation can reduce up to 1.74 kilogram of carbon emissions. So you can see that there are three options available for this AOD. You can apply them from here. And then apart from that, you also have these additional options for customizations. Then if you look at the lock screen options, then you can see that the lock screen layout, lock screen layout and other options are also included. Then we have one important change, security and privacy option. Password and security and privacy has been merged as security and privacy, and you can get started with this. So this does provide some additional features, especially for photo sharing and permissions and privacy. It becomes much more secure right now. Now apart from that, you can see the special features. Here we have the smart sidebar. We'll just turn on the smart sidebar, and you can see that the file dock functionality, and you can sync with other devices. So file dock is something like a clipboard where you can place files for the time being and then share it with other devices or across other apps. So we'll just show you how this file dock works. So I can just call it from here. So you can see here file dock, and you can see that save to file dock, and you can also sync across devices, and for that you need OnePlus account, otherwise you can't sync across multiple devices. Now if I take one picture from here, I just taking this picture, I can just drag and then I'll add it to file dock. So you can see here release to file dock. So now the file is in file dock, and if I want to compose an email right now, I can just compose the email and then I can just pull out this file dock and then drag and rearrange, drop here. So this is how you can actually use the file dock, and you can also sync across multiple devices. If you have OnePlus Pad or other OnePlus devices, you can sync across this with the OnePlus ID. So that's the option. Then you also get the smart cutout option. Say for example, I just using this image, I can just press and hold. So you can see the smart cutout. So I can just save this as a new file. This is the smart cutout, and I'll just come back here, and you can see here this is the cutout file. and looks pretty good. The cutout feature works pretty well actually. So this is how you can use the cutout feature. Then similarly you can actually read from the text read text from the images as well. That functionality is also there. So it's pretty good in terms of that experience. Then file dock we have showed already. Then there is also fluid cloud option available. So we'll just show you that as well. Just taking the clock and the timer, setting the timer, and then if you just minimize, you can see this option, touch and hold to expand. So you can just expand by touching and holding. So there you go, and I can just tap on to bring it to full screen. That's how it works, and this works for calls, timers and other apps which support this one. So this is the fluid cloud option. Then if you want to customize, just press and hold. You can see the regular set of options: wallpaper, icons, widgets, layout, transitions you can set, and widgets you can add, icons also you can change. So these are some things which have been already there, so nothing much change. Then you also get this aquamorphic design. We have showed that UI. It looks much more cleaner in terms of looks, and works better too. Then there are also performance improvement. As I said before, the performance has been improved, especially in terms of memory management, RAM management, storage experience, and overall CPU performance. Everything has been improved with the new UI. So that was the OnePlus OxygenOS 14 for the OnePlus 10 Pro. So we have the OnePlus 10 Pro with us. So this is the device, and this now gets Android 14 along with the latest version of OxygenOS. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.